We hear a ton of inaccurate cooking advice when it comes to corn. So today, I'm gonna set the record straight on some common corn myths. Now you may have heard the rumor that fresh corn only tastes good the day that it's picked. That is simply not true anymore. Older corn varieties would convert about half of their sugar to starch in about 24 hours. But these days, most varieties of fresh corn will taste good for at least several days. Another myth out there is that kernel color indicates sweetness, and that's just not true either. The color of corn kernels is actually an indication of its carotene content, not its sugar content. Are you worried about cold temperature damaging your corn? Well, don't be. Cold storage actually benefits your corn because along with humidity, it slows the rate at which the corn sugar turns to starch. So the colder the storage, the better, as long as it doesn't freeze. Finally, when it comes to boiling your corn, keep it simple. We found that corn cooked with milk, sugar, and salt added to the water tasted no different than corn cooked in plain water. The reason is that corn's thick skin prevents flavorings from getting inside the kernels. Your best bet, season your corn at the table.